What a beautiful day it is. Oh, look at the view. It's a little breezy, a little windy. You can see the water nice and ripply. Just a day you want to put the chair up, sit back, and relax. If I did that, then I wouldn't have a video. Down at the beach. I don't want to go in the sand and the water. So I avoid it. Build some sandcastles, right? Almost looks like a sandcastle. Looks like an island. What a lovely day. It's the only area I could put my camera down. Right in your eyes. The sun, right? Maybe I should climb over and look out towards the water instead. I I don't want to climb on the rock or the fence, but if I have to, I can to get the shot. So I put it down on the park bench, get the shot I need. The beauty about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, you can put it anywhere as long as you got the mini tripod or your own tripod. So if the bench is on an angle, the rock is slanted, you could adjust and level your camera to a certain extent. Now, pitch, yaw, roll, please forgive me, I can't remember it all. But you can't take your lens and adjust it like this. There's no setting to do that unless you're in one of the gimbal modes. You could adjust it up and adjust it down. Adjust to the left, adjust to the right. But you can't rotate your lens. If I show you the way my camera is, I'm level. And the only way I can show it to you is, you see in the phone how I'm holding it in my hand? I don't want to turn my screen on because I want to basically show you on a black background, then turning it on. So I made a video again, and man, my problem was I forgot to put my mic in my shirt. It hung out and then it hit my glasses and it kept tap, tap, tap. I apologize. I can't do it all or remember it all. And I made it a longer video than it usually should be. There he goes, moving along. And that's what I'm doing. I'm moving along to the other side. So, yeah, you can't rotate the lens, the camera head, that is, manually. And that's one thing I don't hear people talking about the product, because if you had a real gimbal, a big gimbal, you got it all. And nobody's asking for anything more. They got it all. So if you've got a real gimbal, you want to try to put that gimbal into the Pocket 3? Ah, 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 yeah. I'm exercising. Look at that. Wasn't I exercising when I get on the bike all the time? The Cannondale Adventure 2. I was asked an excellent question from a person on YouTube, which the video's at. Why didn't you look into an e-bike? Well, I looked into an e-bike. I looked at the Neo. It was, I think, another $1,000 more. And it would have given me a luggage rack a light on there. It would give me everything just about like so. And I didn't go for it. I wanted not to have battery on it that gave me extra weight, and the hub give me extra weight riding around. I wasn't sure how much extra weight it was. And I wanted it to be lighter than heavier. And I said, I still could pedal. I still can go where I need to go at. But one day I would like to get an e-bike. But that defeats the purpose of going out and exercising for me. I do pedal in up to the third gear. Well, lately I went down to the second gear, and it gives me a nice, relaxing 9 miles per hour ride. What I like or don't like about the bike, I want to say the tires. The tires, that's this right here, the tire right here. This right here is tall. So I kind of like go hands free, and I can't because it's narrow on top. It's not really round, and that's where I have some problems riding. Disc brakes. I never had disc brakes before, and now they're squeaking. So I watched some YouTube videos. I'm not ready to take it apart. Yeah, I could put brake cleaner on the discs and the area. Maybe it did get some dirt. Maybe when the person did do the bike and they touched the discs, that's causing the squeak and the scrape. I'm not sure. Cannondale's an excellent company. I'm not going to worry about it. But I never knew on the bicycle they had pads. So that's an expense for me. It's probably a little bit more money than, the rubber pads. Maybe they make better metal pads. Maybe they make it thicker. I think somebody said they may have hydraulic fluid in it. Even the fork. On the fork, you don't have an adjustment to make it soft or hard. I don't see that on there. And now, when I look at it, I do see something on the other side, so I do have to closely inspect. So, the other thing I didn't notice is that both wheels, they clip on, clip off. You could take them on and off without a tool. You just pull the spring handle, and they're right there. And that's amazing to me. So yeah, I got a lot of maintenance to do with the bicycle over time. I like it. I like it a lot. I still have to get used to the handlebars. I adjusted it again, just a tad back and a tad up. I have to adjust this. I will adjust it 1 more inch back. But every time I do that, I still feel like I'm leaning forward. I'm now holding it nice and comfortable closer to me. So it is a large frame, and the frame is a little larger than you think it is. And it's medium frame, it's too small. So there is no medium in between medium and large. Well, I'm heading on now, getting on out of here and finishing up my vlog. So the gate's open for me to leave. Oh, what a nice breeze it is. Here we go. My first one I see in the area, and I did see it the other day. Well, it's got 3 Teslas. Yeah. So now I can take a nice close look. That's all I can say. I'm not a fan, but maybe they like it, not me. It's a car. It's got wheels. It gets you from point A to point B. I get it. That's a lot of moolah. Maybe they'll grow on me over time. Well, the Humvee, that grew on me over time as well. And I didn't like that when it came out. I go, oh, look at that car, the Humvee, man. Well, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. That a little kitten? I think I gotta stop, put you away, because that ends my vlog for the day. You know who I am. I'm Fish, and then catch up many other videos to come. I am out of here.